Express each of the following with positive index numbers. When I have a negative 4 as a exponent here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that a positive by using the reciprocal. And the reason I can do it, I'm only going to show this once. It's because it's 5 to the power negative 4 over 8 to the power negative 4. If I bring this to the bottom, that becomes 5 to the power positive 4, and 8 to the power negative 4, if I take that above the line, it becomes 8 to the power, let's write with a pen, 8 to the power positive 4. And other in positive values, you shouldn't need to, in a non-exam question, be able to do this, but yeah, just do it then as 496 over 625. In exams, I will just stop at this step because you should not do this without using a calculator. Question number B. When I look at question B, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first expand all brackets. I'm going to say this is x to the power 4, y to the power negative 2. I'm going to take this negative 5 and I'm going to take it to each one of the factors inside. So that's going to be times 5 times negative 5 times 2 gives me x to the power negative 10, y to the power negative 5, divide by x to the power negative 3, y to the power 3. I'm now going to write everything on one line, and if it's underneath the line, it's just going to go above the line, and it's going to change the exponent. If it's positive, it becomes a negative because I'm taking it away, which means taking away a negative is a positive, or if it's a positive, it becomes a negative because I'm taking it away. So I'm going to start with x to the power 4. The next one is going to be negative 10 because it's already above the line, so this negative 10 stays negative 10 underneath the line. And now I'm going to take this negative 3 above the line and it becomes positive 3, so it becomes plus 3. I then have y to the power negative 2, which is already above the line. Y to the power negative 5 is above the line, so it stays negative 5. But then this one underneath the line, this positive 3 goes above and becomes negative 3. I add this all up. 4 take away negative 10 is negative 7, plus 3 is negative 3. Y to the power negative 2, take away 5 is negative 7, take away 3 is negative 10. I need to leave it with a positive exponents, so x comes underneath the line as a cube, and y comes underneath the line with a positive 10.